In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Outlook. So I'm here on my computer with Outlook open, and the first thing I'm going to do is look over to the left panel where all my email folders are listed. This is the area where you'll see things like inbox, sent items, drafts, and any folders that have already been created. Now I'm going to locate my email account name or the inbox folder. For this example, I'll use the inbox. I move my mouse over to the inbox in the left panel, and then I right click on it. As soon as I right click, a menu appears with several options related to that folder. From this menu I click on new folder. As soon as I click new folder, Outlook creates a new folder directly under the inbox, and the name field becomes highlighted so I can type a name right away. Now I simply type the name I want for the folder. This could be something like work, projects, receipts, or anything that helps organize my emails. I type the folder name, and once I'm done I press enter on my keyboard. As soon as I press enter, the folder is created and appears in the left panel under the inbox. If I click on it, I'll see that it's empty for now, but I can start moving emails into it any time to keep things organized, and that's it. I opened Outlook, located the inbox in the left panel, right clicked on it, selected new folder, typed a name and pressed enter. The new folder is now created and ready to use.